Taking the cue from my friend Honorable Kierie, it is an absurdity that we have an airline that we should be very proud of as a nation, incurring losses year in, year out, Honorable Speaker. And something needs to be aggressively done, Madam Speaker. All members of parliament here travel in Kenya Airways flights. And at every given time that we fly, the flight is full. And I want to believe they're not carrying us as a charity. It is not out of convenience that members are carried in those flights. They pay for them. And not just members of parliament, everybody else who gets into that flight has paid. And you wonder, where does all this money go? So there is a problem somewhere. Whether it is managerial, we need to get to the bottom of it. Whether it is the interference by certain powers that be, we need to get to the bottom of it. Whether those who have leased those planes to Kenya Airways are demanding more than what they should get as their dues, we all need to know this, Madam Speaker. Otherwise, we have competitive airlines within the region that are going to take away the business away from us. It will be a tragedy for members of parliament and the general populace to be using other airlines to the detriment of our own, Madam Speaker. I think Kenya Airways needs a complete overhaul so that we can inject a new impetus into the business within Kenya Airways, Madam Speaker. And I'm very concerned, and I hope that the minister in charge of transport, Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen, will bite the bullet and call sin by its rightful name and make amends where necessary, so that as a country, our airline can start to be a going concern.